Hello children, good morning to you all. Hope yesterday you have copied what I gave. I gave fill in the blanks type, complete the following. They can come as define the following or anything. You should learn complete sentence so that you are able to write any type of question. It can come under one word answer, it can come under fill in the blanks, or it can come under define the following. Glacier, define glacier. A slow moving river of ice is called glacier. Like that, full sentence you have to learn. Then it is useful to you to answer any type of question. So today's topic is name the following. Here in your textbook, answer the following questions briefly. In that you got many name the following type, and backside also there are 5 questions which are just like name the following. So I mix both of them under one heading, name the following, and give you today. So please open your classwork, copy both question and answer from the blackboard neatly. What you are going to do? You are copying both question and answer from the blackboard, right? So let me start writing on the blackboard so that you also can write along with me and read along with me. So please be ready. Are you ready? Shall we start? Okay, we are starting now. What is our heading? Name the following. Name the following. First one. I'm not giving anything extra from my own, on my own. I'm giving from the textbook. But what I am doing, B bit and E bit mixing and giving. First one, name the northeastern hills. Name the northeastern hills of the Himalayan mountains. This is our question. Name the northeastern hills of the Himalayan mountains. Only names I am going to give you now. Shivalik Range, southernmost North Mountains. Jayantiya, Jayantiya, Garo, Khasi, Naga, Mizo, Lushai. and Lushan. These are the hills. Understand? Name the northeastern hills of the Himalayan mountains. Jaintia, Garo, Khasi, Naga, Mizo and Lushai. These are the hills of northeastern part of Himalayas. Second question. Mention is given, I am giving name. Name the major rivers of the Himalayan mountains. Name the major rivers of the Himalayan mountains. Our answer is Ganga, Yamuna, Indus, Brahmaputra, Sutlej, Kosi. Sutlej and Kosi. So, name the major rivers of the Himalayan mountains. Ganga, Yamuna, Indus, Brahmaputra, Sutlej and Kosi. Ganga, Yamuna, Indus, Brahmaputra, Sutlej and Kosi. These are the rivers, major rivers of Himalayan mountains. So, next question, third. Name any five tourist places located in the Himalayas. Name any five tourist places located in the Himalayas. Our answer is Shimla, Kulu, Manali, Shillong, Darjeeling. Name any five tourist places located in Himalayas. Shimla, Kulu, Manali, Shillong, Darjeeling, Nainital. So many are there. Now fourth question. Important peaks of the name the important peaks of the Himalayan ranges. Himalayan ranges. Name the important peaks of the Himalayan ranges. Our answer is Mount Everest, Mount Everest, Mount K2. Empty means Mount K2, Nanda Devi, Nanda Devi, Kanchenjunga, 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 Nanga Parbat. Nanga Parbat. Mount Everest, Mount K2, Nanda Devi, Kanchenjunga, Nanga Parbat. These are the important peaks of the Himalayan mountains. Next, tribes of Sikkim. Okay, name any 5 tourist places located in the Himalayas. Shimla, Kulu, Manali, Shillong, Darjeeling, Mussoorie, Nainital, anything you can take. Name the important peaks of the Himalayan ranges. Mount Everest, Mount K2, Nanda Devi, Kanchenjunga and Nanga Parbat. So fifth question now. Name the tribes of Sikkim. Name the tribes of name the tribes of Sikkim. Name the tribes of Sikkim. Lapcha, Lapcha, Bhutia, Bhutia and Nepali. Lapcha, Bhutia and Nepali. Sixth, hill stations in the Himalaya. Name the hill stations in the Himachal. Answer is Shimla, Dalhousie, Dalhousie, Kulu, Manali. So Shimla, Dalhousie, Kulu, Manali are the hill stations in Himachal. Okay. Next question. Name the tribes of Sikkim, Lapcha, Bhutia and Nepali. Name the hill stations in the Himachal, Shimla, Dalhousie, Kulu and Manali. Please copy them. Seven. Name the states. Name the states. Name the states name the northeastern states of India. Name the northeastern states of India. Answer Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram. Nagaland, and Tripura. Name the northeastern states of India. Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Assam, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. Next question. Last one. Name the holy places. Name the holy places in the Himalayan region. I will write it up only. Okay, because for answer we don't get place. So name the northeastern states of India: Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Assam, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. Last, name the holy places of the Himalayan region. Name the holy places of the Himalayan region. Answer: Kedarnath, Badrinath, Amarnath, and Vaishno Devi. Vaishno Devi. Name the holy places of the Himalayan region: Kedarnath, Badrinath, Amarnath and Vaishno Devi. These are the 8. Name the following given to you. So tomorrow I will come up with some other type of questions and capitals of all the states which lie in the Himalayan region. So for today, name the following is enough. Please copy them, leaving a line after each question and answer neatly and learn them. So hope you have followed me today. So thank you so much, children.